Let's make yakitori. Seriously delicious Japanese chicken skewers. No charcoal, no problem. Addictive yakitori made in the air fryer. $40 of thick green onions, cut into bite-sized pieces. $170 of chicken thigh, cut into bite-sized pieces. Square the cut ingredients. Square the chicken and green onion alternately. In Japan, this style is called negima. Two tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix well. Two teaspoons of cooking oil. Adding oil prevents drying out even when cooking in an air fryer. Coat the squared ingredient with the sauce. Make sure to coat all surfaces thoroughly with the sauce. Let rest for 10 minutes. Flip them over a few times during this time. Once the sauce has sucked in, the prep is complete. Place the yakitori in the air fryer basket and brush with sauce. First, air fry at 190 degrees Celsius for 6 minutes. Flip the yakitori skewers after 6 minutes. Brush with the sauce. Air fry at 190 degrees Celsius for another 6 minutes. It's ready! I think it has a finish very close to charcoal grilled. Sprinkle with shichimi to taste. エアフライヤーで簡単に作れる焼き鳥でした。Enjoy!